What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal K, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these delicious mozzarella sticks from scratch. Also, the marinara sauce is from scratch too, so you know it's going to be bomb. Anyway, let's get right into the video. So first we're going to start off with our mozzarella. We're going to cut our mozzarella into strips like this, and then we're going to get our breading started. So right here we have some seasoned Italian breadcrumbs, we have some panko breadcrumbs, and then we also have some parmesan cheese. All the measurements are going to be listed down below as always. And then we're just going to stir that up. Then we're going to get our flour started. So I just added in some pink Himalayan salt, but you can also use kosher salt. And then I'm going to add in some onion powder and some garlic powder and just stir that together. And then, I forgot to show this clip, but you want to go ahead and crack your eggs and then, stir them as well. Whisk them together as well. So now we're just going to dip our mozzarella into the flour mixture. Then we're going to dip it into the egg mixture. And then we're going to dip it into the breadcrumb mixture. And now we're going to go ahead and dip it back into the egg mixture. Well, it's just eggs. Well, I keep saying mixture. It's just eggs. And then we're going to dip it into the breadcrumb mixture. Now it should look like this when it's done. And then you want to go ahead and just finish the rest of the mozzarella sticks. Now if you can't cook, this is like the perfect recipe for you. Like, really hard to mess this one up. So give it a go if you can't cook. I got faith in you. And then after we finish coating all the mozzarella sticks, you want to go ahead and freeze that for at least 4 to 6 hours. Now I ended up freezing mine for 2 weeks because I had a lot going on in my life. Like, my dog died and then I got COVID. So yeah, these are 2 weeks old for me, but it's all good. So what I did here was I just heated up some avocado oil. You can use, whatever oil you like to use. If you like to use peanut oil or Crisco, whatever. But I'm using olive oil here. So you're just going to heat that up. And then you're going to put the mozzarella sticks in. Now these do not take long to cook at all. I'd say about 2 to 4 minutes on each side and you're good. So once these are done, we're going to go ahead and put them on a paper towel to cool down. And then I'm going to get started on our marinara sauce. So I just heated up some olive oil in the pan, and then I'm going to add in my onions and sweat this out a little bit. Then I'm going to add in some garlic and sweat that out as well. Now, if you guys never made marinara sauce from scratch, definitely try it at least one time for the one time because it's top tier. I'm telling you, like, nothing beats homemade marinara sauce. So then I'm going to go ahead and add in some peeled tomatoes. I'm adding the whole can, but I'll make sure that the recipe down below is correct because I'm making a lot. That's why. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and give that a quick stir. And then we're going to go ahead and add in some black pepper, some oregano, some salt, a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder. Then I'm going to also add in some bay leaves. Then I'm going to add in some red pepper flakes and then give that a quick stir, cover it, and make sure that it's on low heat. And then after an hour, we're going to go ahead and take out the bay leaves and then put it in a blender and just blend that right on up. Now I'm just going to start plating everything up. Now we're at the best part, which is the cheese pull. And here we go. Bro, tell me that don't look fire, because it definitely was. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will definitely catch you in the next video. Comment down below. Let me know if you like this recipe and what other recipes you want to see. Later.